Hello YouTube, Mr. Jehun here. Happy New Year to all of you. Today is the first day of the year, 2022. So I wanted to make something special, but as you can see outside, it's 10 Fahrenheit here, almost around 10 or 12 Celsius, minus Celsius. So we're gonna do this special thing anyway. Where? You wanna see? Let's go ahead and do it together. Today we are going to cook Cağ Kebab. Cağ Kebab is yet another delicious kebab variety of Turkish cuisine. It's originated from the Erzurum city, which locates at the heart of the eastern Anatolian region of Turkey. For Cağ Kebab, all you need is thinly sliced leg of lamb and the boneless lamb rib meat. As I just have boneless leg of lamb from Costco, I'm just going to use this. The marinating stage of the Cağ Kebab is probably the easiest part of the recipe. You'll just need sliced cut onions, freshly ground black pepper, and rock salt or kosher salt, whatever salt you have. And also you'll need a deep oven tray to place the meat and make the marination. Try to marinate meat separately in the same tray because you will stack them one by one after you finish the marination. You will let the meat rest in the refrigerator overnight. So I did it for 2 nights, but 1 night is okay as well. My meat has been marinating in onion, salt, and black pepper for 2 days. I'm gonna put it in this skewer, however you call it. Then we're gonna head to our surprise place to cook this beauty. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put this. This is the hardest part of this Cağ Kebabı, to put this on the skewer. So this one has these two, one for the bottom, one for the top, to keep it tight. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do a small one today. I'm gonna start from the third part and then put this on. So we're gonna put our meat on this side. This is the hardest part of this thing. Yes. I think it's gonna work. Yes. Voila, the baby is ready. Yeah, if you're wondering, I'm gonna cook Cağ Kebabı in this fireplace, you're right. Yeah, since it's really cold outside, I'm gonna cook my Cağ Kebab here. So I want to thank my friend Omar. He let me borrow his Cağ Kebab machine for a couple months probably. Thank you so much, Omar. He got it from Turkey. So this is a simple machine. It's not a machine, it's a grill, basically designed for Cağ Kebab, but I'm gonna use a part of it to cook in the fireplace. Yes, cooking Cağ Kebab in the fireplace, probably for the first time in YouTube, I guess. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna add some more wood in here. This is the machine, basically. Then I'm gonna bring my meat. I'm gonna put it right here at the top. Yes. Then I'm gonna slowly rotate it this way. I'm gonna sit here that you guys can see. Slowly I'm gonna rotate it like this. Once it's cooked, we're gonna cut out my special knife and special jaws. the skewers that they have for Cağ Kebab. Yeah, we'll see you when it's ready. It's gonna take a while. The purpose of the Cağ Kebab is to sit with friends, and once it's cooked, cut it and eat it straight. So you don't have to wait, you don't have to serve it later. You need to do it immediately and enjoy it with the fire. See you in a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been almost 40 minutes. I already ate one part. I trimmed the tops. As you can see, close to it. It is cooking perfectly. So tender. I'm gonna do another taste test for you guys, then close the video. So it's gonna take about 1.5 hours to finish the entire thing. I have friends here. We're gonna eat it together. Everybody is hungry. It's hot here. Outside is, I think, minus 10 Celsius, around probably, not sure if 10 or 8 Fahrenheit. And the way that you're gonna eat Cağ Kebab is the skewers. Because of this, I think they call it Cağ Kebab. You're gonna grab this one and put this inside like this. Of course, you're gonna hold it from that way. Then you're gonna cut it like this. Perfect. Then you're gonna eat it like that. The onion is doing a magic into this. You can taste the flavor of onion, and also it tenderizes the meat. I saw Guga did this week. Onion juice he did an experiment with the juice of onion to tenderize a $1 steak. Basically tenderize the ayran. It works. Turkish people have been doing this for hundreds of years. So in the West we are discovering it now. I'm gonna cut it one more time. Oops, I'm using gloves because it's too hot in here. I'm gonna use both gloves to not burn myself. Basically, we're gonna do the skewer like this. I'm gonna use my Japanese knife. Then you cut it like this. Perfect. The Cağ Kebab, as I said, it's super delicious, simple. The only hard part is to put it on the skewer thing, the big thing, the stick, whatever you call it. That's the hardest part. Marinating is too easy. You slice your meat thinly, marinate it with onions, chopped onions, salt and pepper, that's it. Overnight for 24 hours at least. Then put it on your fireplace, or I've done this video, it's in Turkish, but I've done it on Weber grill. If you don't have a fireplace to do, you can use the rotisserie part of the Weber grill and do it over there. Watch this video, don't forget to watch this video. And yeah, Cağ is good. Cağ Kebab, fireplace, and of course Perrier. It's not sponsored. So this is it for this week. See you next week. Until then, God bless. Take care. Oh, I cannot describe it. Priceless.